Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back. And as you guys know, the South Florida update was delayed because Roblox was down for quite a while. But yeah, this video will probably come out like sometime a bit before the update does release. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this. Probably be a pretty short video, but as we can see here, there is going to be a convertible Koenigsegg. So yeah, this is the Koenigsegg remodel. There's already a Koenigsegg Agera in game, but this is going to be a remodel. It's also in the South Florida Trello. If we hop over to the Trello here, we can see 2014 Koenigsegg Agera R remodel. The car is still in testing, but check this out. There's an interior, pretty nice seats here. But yeah, there's an interior in this car. Probably convertible, as we can see from the picture. But yeah, pretty nice. Looks really nice. Probably coming out with all these cars because it does say ready. So yeah, pretty nice. If we actually hop back over to the Southwest Florida Discord, we could actually see the inside of the car. Check out the interior. Alright, here is the interior. As we can see, let me try to zoom in real quick. Alright, as we can see, there's actually a screen right here. There's a dashboard and pretty nice. Interior looks pretty nice. Really cool. The seats look really cool from the other picture. But yeah, the Koenigsegg Agera is getting a remodel and it's gonna be convertible, which is really cool. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this video will probably come out like a bit earlier than the update because I know the update is coming pretty soon. But yeah, hopefully this comes out before the update because this is a future update video. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think on this convertible Koenigsegg here. I think it's really cool. But yeah, as always, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you like the content you're seeing, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.